school bus. Let's go pick up the kids and send them to the kindergarten. Our car will be able to fly.
Hello, BabyBus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Time to equip the magical item. Tail and go swimming.
This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag.
Welcome! Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag.
This is not what I want.
School bag.
This is not what I want.
School bag. Scissors.
This is not what I want.
Notebook.
This is not what I want.
Crayon. Pencil box.
This is not what I want.
Notebook.
This is not what I want.
Pencil box. Pillow.
This is not what I want.
Quilt.
This is not what I want.
Pillow. Quilt.
This is not what I want.
Quilt.
Put the items here.
Put the money into the coin slot.
Thank you for helping me get everything I need.